This here is a Panasonic FM14 boombox. It's a little beat up. I'm repairing this with the hopes that I can sell it for a little bit of money. Most of the functions work.
Creative Services Group delivers with over 20.
And a cassette player kind of works. Rewind, play back, but fast forward does not work, and sometimes it likes to squeal. Not sure about, there we go. It's screaming. So you have to open up and figure out what's causing that. So this is interesting. This is the spring from one of those explodomatic mechanisms, but I don't see that that's what's actually in here. I think I've taken this apart and fixed it before. I vaguely remember fixing this latch from a part out of another boombox. I'm pretty sure it originally was black. So yeah, that's rather interesting. So the belts are definitely loose, so I think that's part of the problem. I'll go ahead and replace those and see where we end up there. Yeah, this is definitely the motor doing that. I can get it to stop, so it's going to need some lubrication there. Alright, we have fast forward and rewind now, and I lubricated the motor, and I have yet to hear it screech at me again. I only did the back bushing, or the output shaft bushing or bearing, whatever you prefer to call it. And these new belts are a lot less stretchy. Yeah, like I said, I think I've been in this before, and I've actually replaced the explodomatic mechanism. I cannibalized another one and put that in there. So I'm not exactly sure why the spring was just hanging out on that speaker magnet. Maybe I never found it. I don't know, I forgot about it or something, but I'll start putting this back together. Okay, next thing in order is fixing this spring tension on this, because it's not holding the cassette up enough, so it sounds really muffled. Okay, that problem's been rectified, although I actually think there's something a little off with this tape here. This one seems to have no issue playing, but it did improve the playback of this Billy Ocean cassette. Well, I say that and now it's kind of muffled again. I don't know, it's not doing this with any other tape. I'm not exactly sure what the deal is. Being that the foam on the battery cover is just coming off, I'm going to replace that with some new felt. Alrighty, that should work nicely. Well, I suppose it never can be that easy, can it? This post is snapped off, so I'm going to put some super glue on that and fix that real quick. Alrighty, it's all back together. Do a little demo here. AM, FM, and the cassette player. Rewind, fast forward, stop. And another thing that I didn't mention that I did while I was in here, which is just good practice for any tape recorder, is that I cleaned the record playback mechanism. Especially since this hadn't been messed with in a while, I figured, might as well go ahead and do that. I also cleaned this switch. I did not mess with the volume or tone because it sounds perfectly fine. No crackles, no pops from that. But anyway, that is all for now. Thank you for watching.